Hi, I'm Tori, and today I'm going to show you how to enter a daily log in Sage Construction Management. So, to start, you need to make sure you have done two things. First, you need to go to this settings button up here on the right, click it, go to Feature Settings, Documentation, and here you are allowed the daily log activity type. You can edit and change these or add more. The second thing you need to do is you need to make sure all your firms and subs are on the job listed in the project directory. These companies are going to be referenced in the daily logs, manpower, and major equipment sections, so you need to make sure that they are in there. What you need to do is select the job that you need to submit a daily log for. Either select from this list or click the links below. Select the job, scroll down to Project Team, click Project Directory, and here you will be able to see all of the firms and subs that are under this project directory. You can click the search button and search them there. If they are not in here, you can click Actions and add them from here as well. So once you've done those two things, you are able to go back to the project home. When you're on the project home, to create a daily log, you are going to scroll down to Documentation and click Daily Logs. Go to Actions in the corner and click Add Manually. The project and daily log date, company, and contact will all be put in there for you, but you are allowed to change them. It's optional to put in a primed contract. And then you can add notes. If you click this button here, it will import from the previous day. But since I have no previous days on here, that is why an error popped up. So if you click that button, it'll import from the previous day. Click Add in Next. Here, you're able to drag files and link existing drawing specs, photos, and other records. Click Skip and Finish, or Save and Finish if you added any of those. Then it'll send you to the daily log details. From here, in the activities, you can add and import items. So you can import manually, job cost code, multiple activity types, or scheduling activities. Progress activities entered in daily logs tend to be more general in nature, as opposed to scheduling task updates. When entering the activities, there are options to categorize by type and location. Types are organized wide and can be established in admin settings, where I showed you in the very beginning. Locations are project specific and entered manually for activities.